In this video I will show you exactly how I created this viral gloss car video in literally just a few clicks using Nano Banana Pro and Kling inside Higgsfield AI. I posted the results on Instagram and TikTok and it got me together over 1 million views and a couple thousand new followers. And literally everybody was asking for the tutorial. Y'all know I don't gatekeep, so if you want to bring your videos to the next level, you have come to the right place. The video consists of 4 shots that I filmed myself at a local car auction, and I exported them all 4 separately, and I made sure all of them are at least 3 seconds long, because that's the minimum length we need to use them in Higgsfield AI. Let's start with this shot. So we go to Higgsfield AI, we go to image and create image. Now we want to have a very good reference from the actual car. So if we want to see through the car, we have to know what's inside of the car. So I go to Google and I search for Countach front truck. So we know exactly what's inside, and we're gonna make a few screenshots. This one looks good. I don't like this one because here the plastic is there. This one also looks nice. This one also looks good. So we have a few reference images. And then this one. I'm also gonna take a screenshot from this actual shot. Then we go back to Higgsfield AI. And we're gonna drop all the images into the AI creator. And here is my exact prompt. Create an image of this Lamborghini Countach and make the body of the car fully transparent glass so you can see what is under the bodywork of the car. Make it look ultra realistic and high detailed. Don't change the background, don't change the composition. Keep the exact same position of the car. I've added some pictures of the front truck of an open Lamborghini Countach so you know which parts go where, for example the spare tire. Then here I've selected Nano Banana Pro, which has given me personally the best results after some trial and error. Mine was shot at 16:9, but you can choose whatever you want. For the first batch I'm gonna select 1K, and then if I'm gonna refine or fine-tune, you can select 4K for the best results. And batch size I'm gonna select 4, this way we have 4 separate images, because sometimes it just takes some trial and error. And then we're gonna hit generate. Now we can see the results coming in and they are all completed. Now we can have a look. We're gonna scrub through and see which one looks best. So for me personally, this one looks nice. And then if we want to adjust it even more, for example, I also want the mirrors to be from glass. I'm gonna go to edit and I'm gonna say also make the mirrors from glass. And I'm gonna generate 4 new ones. Our 4 new ones are generated. Let's make a quick comparison. Oh, sometimes you see here it just makes some complete mistakes, and that's why we generate 4. But this one actually looks good. So we're gonna select this one, we're gonna edit, and then I'm gonna choose 4K, and I'm gonna say this is perfect. Now make it look 4K ultra sharp. And I'm gonna just take 2. If you choose the 4K option, the processing will just take a little bit longer and you will need more credits. But for our end result here, it's gonna be worth it. Now we can check the results, and this one looks pretty good. And if we compare this to the actual pictures from the car, we can see that it's very realistic. And that's exactly why giving good reference images are key to success. Now we're gonna download the best one. Then we are moving over to video, create video, and then we go to edit video, and then here we want the Kling 01 video edit. This is the one that we need. Here we are going to upload our Lamborghini shot, so this one. Here we are going to upload the reference that we have just created. Now if your image is too big, you can simply make a screenshot. I'm gonna slightly make it smaller so it doesn't exceed the 10 megabytes, and we simply drop it in. And as prompt we're gonna say make the video 1 into a see-through as in reference 1, make the full car see-through, don't change anything else from the background. I'm gonna leave everything else untouched and we're gonna generate video. And I'm already going to generate another one. This way it's gonna generate two different ones so we can see which one looks best. When the results are finished, we can check the videos. This one already looks pretty good. Let's check this one. And they actually both look the same. Now you can simply download your video. And if you want, you can use Topaz Video AI to bring back some sharpness in your video, but that's for another video. And if you want to create that ultra clean transition, you can just throw your generated video in your editor. In this case, I'm using DaVinci Resolve. I'm gonna delete the music and then trim so it matches the clip. And then I'm just gonna dissolve transition into the clip. And boom, it looks perfect. And you can copy this exact same system with all your other shots. And if you want to know how I film cars, how I edit cars, how I make a living from this, you can join the #1 automotive filmmakers community. A place where you can learn everything step by step with video tutorials, and a place where you are surrounded by like-minded people on the same journey. We also invite internet's best automotive creators for live calls so we can all learn from them. If you are ready to skyrocket your automotive filmmaking skills, you can try it completely for free. Link in description. See you inside.